Hello, I am Emily Tjomsland with 10x Flow SEO, and we're going to go through how to use one keyword to make many keywords. And we're going to do this with the methodology of basically thinking of something that either your company or the company you work for, your client, what they have a tendency to attract, what kind of clientele, or just find something that seems like this is what they are. We're just going to start with a word or an idea that you think would be popular. We're just going to start there. And a lot of the time, those ideas are going to really have a lot of traction and a lot of volume and be very popular. And if they're not, the related terms. But anyway, I'm going to explain all this here. And I'm just going to make each video a step-by-step video. So we're going to make this very, 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 very simple for you. And I'm going to try to go nice and slow and make this very clear and simple. Okay, so number one is keyword research document ready to go. We have a document here in our Asana checklist, and you just open it up, and it's going to have include and exclude. It's going to have these two lists ready to go. Okay, and then so that's the first. Open the above document, then copy the document by go to File, make a copy, change the name, because it's just really good to have really clear documentation of everything you're doing with keywords. So I'm going to do my research on palliative care, and I don't want to have it capitalized, but you can have it capitalized, doesn't matter. Okay, and then we're going to save it into the correct folder, which you can follow right here if you're working for us, but if you are not and you are just using this video for your own assistance, put things where they go, please, for your own team's sake. So right here, there's this move button. You just use that move button and you put it where it goes. And this is palliative care for us, so it's going to go in here. And you just click move, and there we go. It's where it's supposed to be. Okay, so our document's ready to go. That is the first step.